Hey, greetings my hair comrades. This is Rick here. Wanted to shoot a video and answer some questions that I have gotten over the past several weeks. Lots of guys comment to me and say, I'm about to order my first system. Help. I don't know how many times I've seen the all caps, help, exclamation point. What color do I get? And that seems to be the hardest part of the ordering process for them. Because what you see on Super Hairpiece's website is better than what you think, because it's just pictures of different hair color. So I always say, pick the one that you think is the closest to your natural color. And I said, and I promise it's going to be way better than you think. Then gray, let's talk about gray, comes two ways, either a natural gray or a synthetic gray. Hands down, 100%, I like the synthetic gray better. The natural gray to me seemed a little bit frizzy and I had to be really careful with the blow dry. I made it work and it was fine, but I just like the synthetic because I have in the past ordered HD 111 dark brown with 60% gray. Now the 60% gray makes the color you choose really forgiving because 60% of your hair is gray. The dark hair that's there, the 40% that's there is dark brown, dark ash brown, medium brown, whatever. It's really kind of hard to tell the difference because there's so little of it. However, the sides of my hair, as far as my natural hair is concerned, of course, I've got this gray beard and it's gray all the way up into my temples. And you'd think that was where my hair system line is, but it is not. That, my gentlemen, is my natural hair right there, dark. So if I had hair from here up, it would be probably dark brown with 40% gray, probably be about that. So that's what this unit is. And so it works out great. And I want you to look at the color. Okay, one thing I've noticed with Super Hairpieces is, you see how great that hair looks? So I always say, don't worry so much about the color. That's easy. Just get as close as you can, and I promise it'll be all right. I've had people to ask me, is it worth the trouble? What about the expense? Okay, so here's the deal. I put the glue on the unit itself, let it sit for a few seconds, bend over like this, go, roll it back, and it's on my head. Tap it around, and I am ready to go. So is it worth the trouble? Well, it's not any trouble. Expense? I've had guys come in and say, okay, I wear a Hairsystem and it cost me, get ready for this, $500 every other week. What? They go every other week to get it reinstalled, get their hair trimmed up, and I'm going, well, I'm sorry, but even though I am really liking hair, I can't like it that much. I can't afford that. So no, not happening. It doesn't have to happen. Go to Super Hairpiece's website, check out the prices, you'll see that it is very affordable. You can look at the unit I have, HD 111, thin skin. It's great, I love it. The hair is super, super good. So the condition of this hair is silky. I've been running my fingers through it. It's nice and it's shiny, it's soft, it's smooth. I mean, you can tell that by looking about how super duper that hair is. So I can't recommend it enough. So guys, it's Christmas, or soon will be. So let me be the first to say happy holidays to you. Let's get hair on our heads. Get a hold of Super Hairpieces. They'll help you any way that they can. You'll find them to be super to work with. This is Rick signing out saying, let's go rip it up, tear it up, and have a great time doing it, guys. Peace out.